Hey everyone, I hope you're all having an amazing day and welcome back. In today's video, I'll be giving this homeowner's outdoor patio a complete makeover. As you can see in the before footage here, their patio needed lots of love and attention as spring is here and it's the perfect time to be outdoors with your loved ones. In today's video, you will get to see all of the details of how we removed all of the furniture, deep cleaned all areas, and began transforming the space. The patio hadn't been cleaned in years. You will also get to see landscape and hardscape ideas to implement in your front yard or backyard space. As a gratitude of mine for you being here, there's a surprise giveaway in today's video. I will be giving away $100 each to 2 winners to help you get started on your next project. To enter this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, comment below, and share this video link to someone you know who could use some inspiration and motivation. Now let's get started on this transformation for the homeowner. If you have followed me for some time now, you will have noticed that in all of my videos, I stay very active and busy all of the time. This includes everything from organizing, cleaning, decorating, being a wife and mom of 3 children. You may be thinking, how do I find the time or energy to do all of this, and that it takes lots of effort and skill? I'd like to share with y'all what I've been doing to help support me with all of this and how it can help you out as well. Today's sponsor is AG1, and if you didn't know, AG1 is the ultimate foundational nutrition supplement. Instead of addressing one area of the body, AG1 supports whole body health and further elevates it by supporting the essential needs our body has each day to thrive. You get your multivitamin, minerals, probiotic, and much more all in one. I have been drinking AG1 for quite some time now, and I can tell you from experience that it's truly amazing. I love how it tastes, and if I could describe it, it tastes like pineapple with a hint of vanilla. I was never someone to drink coffee every day and dislike the caffeine crashes with a passion. It has really helped support my energy levels and helped me to focus to complete everyday tasks such as cleaning without that caffeine crash. AG1 gives me my daily dose of vitamin C, zinc, functional mushrooms, and more to support immune defense. With 75 vitamins, minerals, and whole food sourced ingredients, I have even seen changes in my skin, hair, and nails. I truly feel and see a difference in my overall wellness. All of the content I provide you all with and our time here on earth is just temporary and it won't last forever. Aging is a part of life that we all have to deal with, and AG1 is there to support your brain, gut, and immune health. It lays the groundwork for long-term health so that we can continue to do the things that matter to us most for as long as possible. To get a free welcome kit that includes a canister, shaker, a year's supply of vitamin D3, K2, and 5 extra travel packs of AG1, simply go to drinkag1.com/LGQueen or scan the QR code here on the screen. I know I've shared several benefits that AG1 has supported me with, but I can't recommend them enough to you all so you can experience the same and other benefits I didn't cover. Thank you AG1 for the quality standards you have to ensure this supplement is the best it can be for us and for being today's sponsor. Now let's continue with this makeover. I want to thank everyone who tuned in today's video and stayed until the end. I hope you all enjoyed seeing the entire process of how we were able to give this patio a complete makeover. The homeowner was very pleased with the end result and looks forward to spending time here both in the day and evenings. No matter the size or current state of your outdoor space, I hope you caught a few things that can help you with your next outdoor project. Don't forget to check out AG1 and begin your journey with their foundational nutrition supplement. I know it'll help support many areas of your everyday life just like it has for me. Thank you so much for being here. It truly means so much to me, more than you'll ever know. Your love and support never goes unnoticed here. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and as always, I look forward to bringing more content to you all soon. I'll talk to you all in my next one. Take care and go make someone's day.